Okay, we got the day 2 vlog starting now. If you haven't checked out day 1, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little link. It'll be one of these 2 sides. Go check out day 1 of Nocturnal Wonderland. We're here at Nocturnal Wonderland because Imagine got canceled. Hence, my outfit is like water themed. I didn't want it to go to waste, so I'm using it today. We got that Lunchbox Meetup. It's gonna be a lot of fun. All right, guys, enjoy the vlog. Okay, they're playing music, so I'm gonna show the fit here. So the mask is from Into the AM. It goes really well with my Electro Threads outfit. We got the Lunchbox. We got some Kandi Bar candy. These glasses are from Amazon. They're called retro glasses, I think. Wait, or techno glasses? I'm not really sure. Hi. I heard the windstorm. We're talking about EDC Las Vegas. Wait, what about the windstorm?
Dude, the windstorm came in. I was just vibing. They shut the whole stage down. Security finally came to me. I was there alone. They were like,
this story is boring. I'm gonna shut this off.
There's times where
Day 2. Meetup right now. We got a picture in 15 minutes.
Do you have any words of wisdom for us?
words of wisdom. Drink your water. Wear hearing protection.
What do you think of Nocturnal Wonderland so far?
I think it's great. Like, it's new because I've never been to a festival where they dress up like a venue. It's kind of interesting to be at. I've never been at a nocturnal fest.
What do you have for us? What's your name?
My name is Carmen.
Okay.
Sapphire.
Okay, awesome. What do you like about being here?
I love being here. Honestly, rave culture has helped me be able to express myself. Rave culture has helped me grow out of my shell and truly blossom into who I am. And I love it. I love this shit.
That's awesome. We love you too. What do you think about his content on TikTok and Instagram? You think it's pretty funny?
I like it. It's so good. Every time I like meet, I don't want to say like an influencer, you know, but like people that everyone knows, I'm like, it's them. Oh my god. But you know, like, real people. Literally, I'm like, right now we were like, that's Frisky. No, you weren't. No, I did not. I was like, that's Frisky. I was like, oh my god, that's God damn it, you guys are so I need to get it with you.
Yes, sir. Tell us about yourself, brother. What's your name?
I'm Eric. I go by Ruby Guard. We're here at the Lunchbox Meetup, helping Ray Tina co-host and just showing love with everybody.
That's awesome, man. We love to see it, man.
Boom, 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 boom.
Wait, I'm gonna stop the berry one now. What the hell is he doing all of
Oh,
this?
that smells so good.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my god.
What you get, man? What you get? Let me see it.
What happened? Oh shit, wait.
Oh!
I'm like,
Like a minute and 30 seconds for you. Alright, y'all, girls get in there and make this look good.
Now see everybody.
That's gonna make it in, right? Oh yeah. Hey, bitch. Nice. You remember any of
What do we got over here? Fernando!
I love you, motherfuckers. I had so much food in my mouth, I was like, I can't eat. I was like, I'm stuck.
Love you, brother.
Love you too. Hey, have a great night, guys.
Okay, back to the hotel. Got a little bit of that paint off me. Brought some wet wipes. Could still look kind of crazy, but drove these beautiful people back. I was a sober driver for today, and it didn't take us 30 minutes like it took that guy. It took us only 15 minutes.
Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Prude Handshake, just so you guys know.
I hope you guys liked this vlog. That was day 2, Nocturnal Wonderland. I gotta say, Wooly killed it today though.
Yes.
But we gotta take a nap, take some sleep, because we got that airport hella early. So thank you very much for watching.